This video lecture is on language and comparison, or what I'll call the language of comparison and evaluation. This type of language is commonly used in APA writing when authors are comparing sources that come from different studies. The similar patterns that you'll see here the patterns that you'll see here in this document are similar to those that you will find in many sources. When you look at the first box, this box is on similarity, and the one down here is on contrast. So if you want to say that a couple of sources are alike, you should refer to this at the top. And if you want to say that sources are different, look down here. Both of these boxes or tables work in the same way, that on the left-hand side, you have some keywords or patterns that are broken down. And on the right-hand side, you have an example written all the way out. So you can see here when you're looking at these, it's a good time to slow down and not only notice where the sample word is, like similarly right here, is also right here, similarly, here and here. But we also can see the pattern that we have discussed in other lessons, that every time you have the last name of an author, immediately the year follows. Last name of the author, immediately the year follows. So every time that you have a source, you're going to have the year. As you move down through the document, at the bottom of it, there's a verb list. These verbs could be used to evaluate or compare sources. They could apply in your work. Another good place to look at how comparative language works is in samples, the sample papers. In the evaluation and comparison section of each, particularly in the comparison section, you'll be able to see patterns similar to what you have in this document. That's it on the language of comparison.